Struggling with a printer issue? This guide covers the top 15 common printer problems and explains how to fix the printer in simple steps.
1. Prints too slowly. Switch your printer to draft mode for faster printing. Reduce the print quality setting when printing non-important documents. 2. Adjust printer settings. Check the print preferences on your computer. Select the right paper size and orientation. 3. Failure to print or scan. Restart both the printer and the computer. Check if the printer is connected to the network. 4. Incorrect paper loading. Always fan the paper stack before loading. Do not overfill the tray. 5. Mobile printing issues. Download the official printer app HP Smart for HP printers. Make sure your phone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. 6. Offline printer indication. Restart the Wi-Fi router. Unplug the printer for a few minutes, then plug it back in. 7. Text that looks weird. Update or reinstall the printer driver. Make sure the document font is supported. 8. Bad print quality. Run the printer's built-in clean printhead option. Use the correct paper type. 9. Clogged printheads. How to fix the printer with clogged heads. Run the printer's cleaning cycle. 10. Dirty printer rollers. Turn off and unplug the printer. Use a slightly damp lint-free cloth to wipe the rollers. 11. Expensive print jobs. Use draft mode for everyday printing. Print double-sided to save paper. 12. Low or empty ink cartridges. Replace the cartridge with a new one. For laser printers, shake the toner gently to extend its life. 13. Low or empty ink cartridges. Replace the cartridge with a new one. For laser printers, shake the toner gently to extend its life. 14. Overfilled paper trays. Only load the recommended number of sheets. Do not mix old and new paper. 15. Storing paper properly. Keep paper in a dry, cool place. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight. For more information, visit PrinterFix support. Call us +1 877 595 9194.